Yo, what is up, guys? It is time for some Yu-Gi-Oh battles. We are here with fidget spinner Dave.
This is so cool.
And then also you have the spectacular. Oh, what's my name again? Braden.
His name is
Okay. Braden the dinosaur duelist.
Bruh.
Okay, time for some rock, paper, scissors. Oh, wait. Sorry, guys, I don't... Hey, get rock, paper, scissors. Oh, he chose paper, guys. Like, okay, I choose you to go first.
Oh.
He goes first. I want him to go first, anyways. So, I'm not that good at recording, guys. So
every day I usually.
Hey,
this is so hard.
just get your 5 cards,
Oh.
fidget spinner Dave. Okay, I wonder what his cards are. I have to record, so that's why I kind of wanted him to go first. Maybe he dropped that and let me see it on purpose. How many did you get?
5.
Okay, good. Now play your cards.
Wait.
Play your team.
5, 6. Whoops. Let me count to make sure.
No, you have 6. Now,
Yep.
I mean, you have 5. Sorry. Okay, it's time for him to play his cards.
So where?
The monster zones.
Let me just see.
You know how to play the game, right? Why would you play that in an attack position?
Never mind.
Oh my god. He was tricking me to let me see what it is and make me realize that... Wait. It's time for me turn. I don't know. No.
It's so hard to stop spinning this every day. Even at school, at the top of my desk, I was like, yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm actually like that, Braden.
Weird. This is my hand.
Yeah, this is my hand.
I play. You saw what I played. And I can barely see while I'm recording. Now I'll play this in attack position. Blah, blah, blah.
Do you
Okay,
see this?
my-
It's called a fidget spinner.
Cool. Okay. My monster. Attack his monster.
How when it's like...
He's in defense position. I can attack him. You do real.
I did
20
not.
attack points.
Guys, I did not swear. I said shoot.
Yeah. Okay. Now draw your card.
Draw what?
Draw another card.
Can I pick from here?
No, you have to draw from right there. Like take from right there.
We forgot the shovel.
Yeah, we did. No, I shuffled for you.
Oh.
I know how to play this. Sorry, guys. He's not that good at the game. And his name is definitely Fidget Spinner Dave. Don't ask how he's 6 years old and the fidget spinners...
I'm 7.
7 years old and the fidget spinners weren't invented back then. And usually last names exist for a while.
Yeah.
Don't ask how
My
that makes
nickname is
sense.
Jaw.
Okay, anyways.
So I summon John
You can't summon that. You need to sacrifice one dark monster. There's no dark monsters.
What do I have to do with this?
Just keep it in your hand.
Like, can I just do like that because it's mine? Like, just go.
Sure. But just
I'm
we're
at the beach.
recording.
I'm at the beach.
We're recording.
Okay, this will be my hand.
Oh, sorry about me moving the camera guy. Now this is your hand, and then draw from here.
Again?
You only drew once.
Yeah, I already drew. This is the guy.
Oh, okay.
So it's your turn.
No, are you gonna summon something from over there?
Nope. Nope. Can I summon him?
Yeah, you actually can.
I summon him to be my Reddit life.
Just summon him.
I summon him to be my loving wife. My loving wife.
With 2,001 attack points, he definitely could take out my.
What's this?
He could.
What's
That's my card.
well, what's this for?
That's your extra deck. Don't you know? With this many attack points, he could take out my card.
Yes, I can.
But little does he know, I have my own trap blade.
Hey, you told me I'm not attacking.
You fool! You should have attacked. I sort of bluffed you into not attacking. Now I have it.
I got it.
Now I have 2 cards on the field. Okay, it's his turn. Yeah, this is my hand so far. I drew that card. Draw your last pathetic card before I beat you. Actually, I couldn't. But even if I could.
I can't summon you. I can't summon you.
You could. You just have to sacrifice them.
If I sacrifice you, I'll have no revenge.
That card's way stronger than that card, so. Do it. Oh. No, the attack points are right there. He has. No, he has enough to destroy this card.
Well, you have that trap card.
Heh. You should attack. Really, you should.
Nope, you want to kill him.
Put him back on the field. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't. Oh my god. I play this card. Terraforming.
Terraforming!
With terraforming, I can take a card. Well, I can take one. I can take one field spell and add it to my hand.
I see fidget spinner.
I play Lost World. I take Lost World right here. Okay. Now, with my power of Lost World, I played Lost World. Lost World decreases all your attack and defense by 800. Hey, now I attack with this card.
Bro, they can't see.
Oh yeah, I attack with this. Card.
Yeah, guys.
Against this
Guys,
face
guess
down
what?
card.
I got some fidgets. You see that?
Yeah.
Watch
So
me.
yeah, that
watch
card goes
me.
to the graveyard.
Watch this.
God, fidget spinner day.
Oh!
I also attack this, minusing his life point. And your life points are now at wait. We're doing it 4,000 life points. Your life points are 2,280
Take this.
and 50.
What is that?
Put that away.
What is that though?
It's
honey.
up here in Canada. We have the best maple syrup around, so they turned them into suckers, and I bought one.
I'll take one.
No, don't take
For
one.
$90.
No. Anyways.
I'll take that.
No. Anyways, let's get back to the duel. Okay, and your life points are at
2,000 million.
2,250? No, 150 actually. That's pretty low. You'll have to believe in the heart of the cards to win. So draw your last pathetic card before I win this duel. even though I couldn't win. You can't summon that yet. He's trying to summon this card.
I know.
You can banish this card and summon this card, by the way. If you want. You can summon that card, by the way.
No.
By banishing this card.
So where do I put this?
What? The card you just drew?
Yeah.
Put it over with the rest of your pathetic...
This?
With the rest... Now try to defeat me. You only have... This is your last turn of living.
Draw?
Didn't you already draw?
Nope.
Well, just banish this card and summon that one. But if you banish that, put it right there and summon that one.
Summon this one.
Yeah, do that.
Summon this one.
Fidget Spinner Dave is so annoying. Okay, in attack mode. Okay. Do you end your turn yet? Just end
I
your...
end it.
Okay. You really should have attacked when you had strong enough monsters. Now it's about time I end this duel. I sacrifice these 2 cards. See, they're dead. To summon Superconductor Tyranno. Superconductor Tyranno. Attack White Dragon of whatever and end this duel. I did it.
You got no more duels.
Wait, let me just think. Yeah, I won.
No more duels.
Fine. I won! Fidget Spinner Dave. Your fidget spinner is mine. Even though it's technically not. Bye, everyone. Hope you don't lose like Fidget Spinner Dave.
Watch your